Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning, everyone. We from class to C Informatic Engineering Group 1. We explain the formal query of algebra relation. And this number name Group 1. Ari Wicaksono, Nodi Setiawan, Amas Faki Adinata. Okay, kita watch. What's the meaning language of formal query? The formal query language of the relation database is the language for requesting information from database, and also the language between which the database is used. SQL is converted into a formal relation language so that it can be applied to a collection of information to obtain the most efficient query. Actually, they are to classify query relation query relation query language. It are relation algebra, relation calculus. Okay, there are five basic in relation algebra or selection, projection, Cartesian product, union, set difference. What's the meaning selection? What's the meaning projection? What's the meaning Cartesian product? What's the meaning union? What's the meaning set difference? Okay, selection. The selection is used just to select the tuples that meet predicate given. Use symbol sigma for show select operation. 2. Second, projection. The projections are used to display names that the shadow attribute appears. Project operations are symbolized with the symbol P. This will be 3. Cartesian product. Cartesian product can symbolized with X. With this operation can suggest information via combination multiple relation. Union. Union symbol with the signet U. This this like operation union inside relation algebra is the same as union operation on arithmetic. With union operation that shared information can get shared difference. Shared difference with us sigma means this operation is for find tuples in one relation but not in the other relation. Okay. If you still comes with expression, I will give example and this example will deliver my find. That is William British Dewan. Right.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we will explain about the example of one of the relation algebra. It's called selection operator. So the example, I have a table of a book. The example of a table of book. There are three fields: field kode buku, field judul buku, and field harga. So I want to display a list of books that cost more than 5,000. This is 5 more than 5,000 and have a book title Teknik Komputer. So the result of this example is that's it. The example of operator select have kode buku. Kode buku is PK001, judul buku Teknik Komputer, and field harga more than 5,000. So this is the result. So let's go to MySQL Bank. So for the example of query operation select, we can use command select field. The field I want to display the field, all of the field from book. We can use star from book table, where judul buku the field of judul buku is teknik komputer, and then the cost field harga is more than 5,000. That's it. Select star from buku where judul buku is teknik komputer and harga more than 5,000, and execute. That's it. The result. The example of one of the relational algebra, it's operation select. Here we will explain about the example of the relation algebra again. It's called project operation. So project operation is used to display the name, the desired attribute appears. So this is, I have a table of book. It have 3 field, kode buku, judul buku, and harga. So I want to display kode buku, field kode buku and judul buku from the table of book, tabel buku. So the result of this that's it. Kode buku, judul buku, the field of kode buku and judul buku from table of book. So let's go to MySQL Bank. So the query of project operation, we can use command select command, and then what do you want to display? The field do you want to display? I want to display kode buku and judul buku. Kode buku and judul buku. From the table of book, table buku, and that's it. Execute. This is the result of the example of project operation. Here we will explain about the example of one of the relation algebra. It's called Cartesian product. So the example, I have two table toko and table transaksi. Table toko have two fields, kode toko, nama toko. Table transaksi have 5 fields, kode transaksi, kode toko, kode buku, jumlah, and total. So I want to display inner chain from tabel transaksi and tabel toko table based on kode toko where total transaksi more than 60,000. I want to more than 60,000. So the result of the example, this is the example of Cartesian product. That's it. Kode toko 001, nama toko Almira. Kode transaksi 001, kode toko 001, kode buku 001, and jumlah 20, total, and that's it. More than 60,000. So the example of Cartesian product, query of Cartesian product, can use select star from the table toko inner join. I want to inner join table toko and table transaksi. On table toko, I want to fill on buku on toko, kode toko transaksi and same as transaksi toko kode toko. This is field from transaksi, and then where transaksi dot total more to 60,000. That's it. Select star from toko inner join transaksi on toko kode toko equals to transaksi dot toko kode toko where transaksi dot total more than 60,000 and execute. That's it. This is the example of Cartesian product with natural join selection where transaksi from field total more than 60,000. Here we will explain about the example of one of the relational algebra. It's called union operation union. Operation union in algebra with operation union in arithmetic is the same. With union operation, the desired information can get. So the example, I have two table, table buku and table transaksi. Table buku have three field, kode buku, judul buku, and harga. Table transaksi have five fields, kode transaksi, kode toko, kode buku, jumlah, and total. So I want to display kode buku from buku and kode buku from transaksi from buku and kode buku from transaksi. I want to as kode buku with natural join buku and transaksi. I want to natural join the table of book, table buku, and natural join the table of transaksi. So the result of operation union with two table buku and table transaksi is, that's it. So let's go to MySQL Workbench. So the example of query operation union operation, we can use select. I want to display select kode buku dan buku kode buku, kode buku, and kode buku, this is field kode buku from transaksi as kode buku alias kode buku, and then I want to from buku, I want to natural join buku with transaksi, the table of transaksi, and that's it. Oh, let's have error. Kode buku natural join. Natural join with transaksi. That's it. That's it. That's it. The example of query union operation. That's it. This is kode buku from buku and kode buku from transaksi. Here we will explain about one of the relational algebra. this is about set difference. So the example, I have a table, a book, table book, table buku, book table. I have the field of book table have kode buku, judul buku, and harga. So I want to display kode buku from book table buku, where the price of the book is greater than 5,000. So display kode buku greater than 5,000. So that's it, greater than 5,000. That's it. So let's go to MySQL Workbench. So the example of set difference, you can use select. I want to select field code. I want to use select kode buku from buku where harga field harga greater than 5,000. That's it. And selection. That's it. This is the example of query query set difference. Thank you.